So I hadn't really explained the use of templates. You've seen we've copied some table to create these new tables. In the file MassApps, MMMassApps, I have a name range called mass template. And in that, I say where to get the tables from, the templates, which are then copied through to the mass balance system. Now, these templates are put into another file called mass minxconmass1. So if we have a look at that, here's the string template. This is fairly easy to adjust if you have more minerals. I'm tending to use array equations, and if you're not familiar with that, there's another Udemy course, Mastering Excel using name ranges, arrays, and VBA. In this particular case, you don't need the VBA, but you do need to understand arrays. Having said that, it's envisaged that at this point, I will do all this for you as a service so that you don't have to worry about it. Now, that's the string template. The unit template will generally stay the same. And really, all this information is related to water, which we're not using in this mass balance, so we don't have to focus on it. So if we have a look at the file that we're working on, you can see that I've constructed all the streams.